Samsung is preparing to launch its next-generation foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7, anticipated to be unveiled in July or August 2025. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to feature a 6.85-inch main display and a 4-inch cover screen, offering a more expansive viewing experience. It is rumored to be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2500 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM, and equipped with a 4000 mAh battery supporting 25W wired charging. The camera setup is likely to include a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP front-facing camera. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is projected to boast an 8-inch foldable main display and a 6.5-inch cover screen, providing ample space for multitasking and media consumption. It is expected to come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 4400 mAh battery with 25W wired and 15W wireless charging capabilities. The camera array may consist of a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, a 10MP cover screen selfie camera, and a 4MP under-display camera. Both devices are anticipated to run on Android 15-based One UI 7, featuring significant interface and design enhancements. Pricing is expected to start at $1,099 for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and $1,899 for the Galaxy Z Fold 7.